Welcome to school too.
Oli, good afternoon, sir.
What is it that you people want?
Please, we have been married for 7 years without issue. She has not been able to conceive.
7 years?
Yes, Oli. Somebody said when we come here, we will see solution.
Emimo, are you ready to pay the price?
We can pay the price. We are rich. We have money.
Are you ready? Are you ready? What cannot happen in 7 months, in 7 years, can happen in 7 days.
7 days? Now this man is very powerful.
7 days. 7 days.
He can do anything. Just mention.
The spirit said, you will leave your wife here. To pray in my holy mountain just 4 months.
What? Jesus!
She will pray in the morning. You will pray in the night. You will pray in the daytime for 4 months. Just pray. It's on a mountain.
It's not 4 months. We waited for 7 years. 4 months cannot kill us. And I love you. I have my own child. I have my own child.
You want to see? I expect you to start praying. Start praying. Start praying. He's going. He's going. He's going. Go. 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 Come back. Come back. Come back. Come on. Pray. 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 Stop praying. Pray. Anymore. 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 Ah! Pray. Pray. Oh, baby. Ah. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Oh.
Wally!
What?
My wife! My wife! What is this?
You say you need a baby for 4 months. I made it happen. And what you couldn't get in 7 years, I made it happen. 4 months now.
4 months! You made it! Wally! Wally!
Hold on, when he enter, you will feel like my people. Yo, it's School 2 comedy though. Why you frowning? What are you hating for? Watch it, laugh, man.
School too.